Good morning, students. In my previous video, we have learned how to plot a point on a coordinate axis. So we did 22nd A, in which we learned about coordinate axis and plotting a point. In the other two exercises of this chapter, we have to first frame the points and then plot. So I'll make you learn how to frame the points. Let's do it with the help of exercise. Question number 1 is calculate the area of the circle with radii. They have given you the radius and write the corresponding values in tabular form. Tabular form means in a form of the table. And plot the graph. You may cut this point and plot the graph of area versus this. Because in the first question, I'll make you learn how to make a tabular form of the data. See here, this is the tabular form. You'll make a table. Upper side I've written the radius. We were given the different radius 3.5, 7, 10.5, 14. And then I've written the area. Area of the circle. Formula is pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7. R here is 3.5 into 3.5. So after calculating, I've written the areas of the different respective with respect to the given radius. So this is the tabular form. Now the second question. Question number 2, they have asked you to make a table for first 4 multiples of 5 and plot the graph. Now first I've made a table. Number of multiples, first, second, third, 4. Number of multiples 5, 10, 15, 20. It means first point that I need to plot is 1, 5. Second is 2, 10. Third is 3, 15. Fourth is 4, 20. Now see how we have plotted the points. You know how to plot? First, I've written certain positive points on the right side of origin, then certain negative points on this side, certain positive points on y-axis, and certain negative down on y-axis. Okay, now just see that this side I've written 1, 2, 3, 4, and on y-axis I've written 5, 10, 15, 20 because I need this. You may write it. Only thing to be taken care is that the class interval, the difference between the 2 points should come same. Here the difference between the 2 is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, and here the difference is 5. So on x-axis the difference should be same, on y-axis the difference should come same. Okay, so the first point is 1, 5, 1 from x-axis, 5 y-axis. Where do they meet is 0.15. Similarly 2, 10, 2 from x-axis, positive 2, positive 10 from y-axis, corresponding positive 10 from y-axis, it is 210, and then 315, then 420, and then I have plotted a line passing through the points. Okay, and I gave it a random name. I've given MN. You can also give any name. And I wrote line MN represents the required graph. This is how the question is complete. Similarly, you can do question number 3. For question 3, they ask the semi-perimeter of the triangle. They have given you the sides of the triangle. So on the top, do write the sides, and here write the semi-perimeter. And this formula for semi-perimeter is a plus b plus c by 2. We know the formula for perimeter is sum of all sides, and semi-perimeter will be sum of all sides divided by 2. Now question number 4 also you can do. For question 4, seek the help of the last example. It is same. So find out the simple interest. You know the formula, p into r into t upon 100. This side they have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on x-axis, and on y-axis 1000, 2000, 3000. See, the class interval is same. Fine, and then plot the point. Coming to the next exercise 22C, here also they have given you the sides of the square and you have to find out the perimeter and then plot the graph. Sides of the square, first is 2.5, perimeter of the square is 4 into side 10, side of the square is 5, perimeter of the square is 4 into 5, 20. It means the points that you need to plot here is 2.5, 10, 5, 20. Now you may ask how to plot 2.5 because decimal numbers you have not plotted before. 2.5, see this is 3, this is 2, 3, and in between the two there is a darkened point which is 2.5, exactly in the middle. Okay, so this 2.5 and 10 on y-axis go straight, you will find this point. I've done this third question, the next question, second for you. Here they were given x as 1.5 and 4 and y is double the x. So let's double it. 1.5 double of it is 3, 4 double of it is 8. It means the points are 1.53, 4, 8. How to plot 1.5? Exactly in the middle of 1 and 2, this is 1.5. Go straight. For y is 3, positive 3. So where do it meet is 1.53. Next is 4 on x-axis and then 8 on y-axis. See where does it mean? Corresponding to 4 in x-axis, we have 8 on y-axis and this point is 4, 8. Joining this, we got the required linear equation. So third sum you can leave for time being. Thank you so much. I hope the chapter is clear. Thank you.